of the fifth year of every Tuesday, the first Tuesday of August, or is it? Second Tuesday of August, we will now know when our prayer breakfast will be. It is very interesting that the theme of this prayer breakfast is reconciliation. I remember the last prayer breakfast here was again around the same. I remember in that prayer breakfast asking for forgiveness from my friend, the former president. And it is interesting that today we are again discussing in our first prayer breakfast the subject of forgiveness and reconciliation. Let me say that I am truly grateful to God that in this, our first prayer breakfast, we have come together as a nation. And it is perfectly in order for us to celebrate where we are today as a country. Let me first congratulate all elected leaders who are here on this first prayer breakfast. Congratulations to all of you who have been given the opportunity to serve the people of Kenya. All of us, from our MCAs to our members of parliament, to our governors, and all of us in between. We want to thank God for the opportunity to serve the people of Kenya. And I want to congratulate you and to tell you that I am looking forward to working with each and every one of you, working together across political lines on matters that are important to the people of Kenya. And in that working together, it is not necessary that we will always agree, but it is important that we work together towards the betterment of our country. I am reminded, and I want to thank God for the last general election. The last general election were in a category of their own. I mean, it was a turning point